Hi traders, here we are on this live trade on this euro dollar. It is based on an open equity principle. It's just a little bit under 230 pounds in open profit. Now, what is this principle of open equity? How are we building these strategies? We ran two trades on this principle, and one is closed out for profit and one is running at the moment. We're going to be discussing this and more in this video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team in our live trading session video today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is still Upon here, founder of Master the Markets Elite Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are traders on this euro dollar trade, and we have an open profit of just a little bit less than 240 pounds. Is just rising up and going well in our favor. Now, what is the principle of all of this? Now, let me take it step by step. So the first thing, traders, what we are looking for, this first strategy, what we have designed is all based on open equity. Open equity basically means how much it helps to help you answer the question of how much move is left, how much move is left in a statistical quantitative way. Okay, we've done a lot of videos on this. Please do take a look at them, and we cover this in Traders Basecamp as well. So how much move is left is what we are looking to answer. Okay, that is the thing of open equity.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
The first principle to open equity is quantifying your tops and bottoms, which we have done here. So all this is saying is that wherever you see the dot, what we have is where the arrow or the swing high got confirmed. Okay, based once the swing high or swing low, the top or the bottom gets confirmed, we take a position from there. Okay, so as you see traders over here, our first strategy is just based on a very short distance that 80% of trades will get to. 80% of trades will get to. It's like almost saying, in a marathon, 25-kilometer, 45-kilometer marathon from point A to point B, if you have 100 runners here, 80% of the runners will get at least to 5 kilometers, isn't it? Most of them will get there, right? There will be very less drop-off rate. In fact, I think 90% will get there. But when you get to the mid mark, let's say you're talking about 15 kilometers or 18 kilometers, there'll be more drop-off, isn't it? Maybe only 60 will be left from the initial 100. So likewise, traders, what we do, we design different strategies based on the same principle. So anytime I get the dot, that's my starting point. If you were to say that's my point A, for my point A, I know that most of my trades will get to 80% distance, the X distance. Now that you have to find, but you can only find that if you have your tops and bottoms quantified. So we've done all of that work taught to us by institutional quant traders. So once you've done all that work, right? So then I know my 80% open equity distance. And that's how, if you take a look here, so over here, you can see that on euro dollar, this trade got closed out for 300 pounds, okay, 300 pounds, okay. So this is a much more bigger account over here. So this is on, let's say on a 50K account here that one of these clients are doing it on, then you're looking to make this kind of money just within one day, and you let it run, okay? Just you let it run, okay? Now, the same strategy, now let me show you actually a few things. One is you run one of these strategies on an 80% equity distance. The second one you run towards a 50% open equity distance. The 50% open equity distance is what is running at the moment. Now, what I'm going to show you traders is how it looks like on different accounts, okay, on different accounts. Now, let me bring up another account over here. Now over here, you can see this is a very small account, started with £1,500 with this client. And they've taken all these trades based on this 80% open equity strategy. Okay, win-win, then a bit of a loss, then 6, 7, 8 winners win, and then losses in between, and then wins. So overall, this client has made £160 on a 1,500 account. Okay, just on this strategy over 1 month. So that is about a little bit over 10% up. Okay, and out of the profits, they've withdrawn a little bit of money as well for their own expenses, whatsoever it is. So 160 is a little bit over 10%. So that's about 11% what we're talking about. Okay, about that. That's on a £1,500 account. Now, take a look now. So let me just write it down. So 1,500 account. So they have made about £160. Now, if I were to take a look now, in terms of a bigger size account, then let me just open that account up as well. Then you guys can see it too.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
So now you can see this other account where the client has started with 1,000, put in another 7,000, made it to 8,000, and has done the same 80% open equity strategy here. Okay, and all the way, if you see, he's kept doing it, and then you can see that over here he made £113 in euro yen as well. And then also after that, he had a bit of a drawdown here. Then he did a really good profit on silver. But this is another strategy, which is a 50% open equity strategy. So overall, he has made, if you see, 425 pounds over here, okay, on an £8,000 account. Then he's got more confidence, he's put more money in. £425,000 on an £8,000 account. So if you say roughly he has made that amount of money on the 80% and 50% OE, that is about 5-6%. So it's about, let's just say it's about 5%, which is about £425 that he has made. Okay, that you can see over here. All right, so £500 that he has made on this £8,000 account. So that is about 5%. Okay, 5% that he has made on that account. But you can see, but the monetary amount that he has made is much more. But importantly, the time that has been spent is still the same. Then you can also see he's having a trade running here as well on the 50% open equity strategy on euro dollar over here, which is in 46 pounds at the moment, which is up and going. But the same strategy that you can see over here on the other account, let me just show you that over here as well. You see the initial one here that you can see over here, the 50% open equity, that is running at 180 pounds at the moment, right? So it's retracing a little bit, 180 pounds. But then on the other account, the same trade is running on 45 pounds, okay? So it's about 4 times more on the other account because it's much more bigger. Now, the main thing what I want you all to see here is that on a 100K or 50K account, whatever it is, you can see that even though that one is just showing 40, but here's 4 times the amount, right? So it's about 180 pounds. But most importantly, the take-home message is that you're spending the same amount of time, placing the trades and all of that, and then you leave it to run because all the risk has been managed, but you're making more money. Okay, time and money link has been broken. So you're spending the same amount of time, 15 minutes, let's say, end of day strategies, Whether it's a 1,500, 8,000 pound account or a 50k or a 100k account, but you're making much more money for the same amount of time. This is what we call breaking the time money link, and we are now getting into passive cash flow. Okay, I wish this was taught in schools, but it hasn't been, and that's why people find it difficult to even accept it, conceptualize it, and then finally to even execute it as well. Okay, so this is the stuff that is happening over here at Master the Markets, and we're doing it live, and our clients are making it money in real time as well, as you can see over here. So something for you all to learn the principles from, and see how you can inculcate it into your own strategies, all based on the principle of open equity. Okay, two take-home messages that I want to give you all for this end of this video is: point number one is that understand what this whole open equity principle is all about. Okay, based on that, construct your strategies. That's what we're doing. 80% open equity strategy, which I showed you all the results for, and the 50% open equity strategy, which is also running in the moment with a live trade, as you can see on euro dollar. The second thing what I want you all to understand is the time and money link being broken by this lucrative way of financial trading. Okay, so whatever time and effort that you put to learning this is well worth it, because you get to break the time and money link later and move towards freedom of time, which is what we are all wanting. Okay, and living life on your terms. So that is it. I just want you all to reflect on that. Based on open equity principle, we've done some fantastic videos, 5-day video course for free, 12 years of our collected research taught by institutional quant traders. That is called traderstarterpack.com. You can head there, get your 5-day video course for free, and enjoy those videos. Okay. All right, traders, I think that's pretty much that from this video. I will show you all in the next videos how this trade progresses along, how we trade manage it. It might be for a profit, it might not be, it might be for a loss as well, so we don't know. Let's see how it carries on to be, but you'll see how we professionally trade manage it in real time as well. Okay, reflect on all the principles here, using your own strategies, or if you want to get in contact with us, do get in contact with us as well. But the first great starting point is traderstarterpack.com. All right, traders, as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.